Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sridhar Talks. Today our topic is need of English in IT industry. Everyone will always say communication is important, English is important in IT industry, but no one clearly says how exactly it will be needful. My intention in this video is to explain how a software engineer uses English in his day-to-day activities and the use of English for a software job. The primary goal of this video is to help the below audience, the students, and the mentors and the job seekers. So why late? Let's jump into the topic. We are going to cover 5 main points here. The first important point is IT industry is a global platform and our job scope is global. That means we will see so many cultures here, so many people from different countries, different languages here. To bring everyone into a single platform, English language is only option. And if we see only our country, we have around 21 different languages. Even in our internal teams, if we want to communicate, we need a common language. So we always prefer English is a common language. So, if we see the second important point, our customers. Most of the time, all the services that we do as a software engineers is for foreign people, that means other country people. So, the only communication language that we have to use is English. And now we see the third point, that is day-to-day activities of a software employee. The first activity that every software employee do is checking his emails. The email communication always happens in English, and if we see the other activities, he will be meeting his team to discuss about his daily job, daily activities, communicating with the customer to gather the requirement or to update the status, and he will be meeting his manager to update the daily status and other reports. He will be involved with his day-to-day activities. If he is a software employee, he will do software job. If he is a tester, he will be involved with testing. If he is a developer, he will be involved with the development. So based on the job that he belongs to, he will be involved with them. Along with his own job, he will be mingled with so many teams, collaborating with the different vendors, different departments. He will be involved with the documentation. He prepare the documentation, manage the documentation, review the documentation, and he will learn so many things to support his day-to-day activity, and he will learn so many activities to upgrade his skills and to support his technology. Along with the work, he also will be involved in so many other activities like fun activities, HR activities. He goes to parties, he goes to team outing, he goes to team parties. So, if we see all these points, the conclusion is the software employee is completely dependent on English. Without English, he can't do his basic day-to-day activities. That ends this point. I try to cover basic day-to-day activities, but we can have a separate video that gives detailed description of each role of a software employee, types of employments, types of jobs he do. Going to the next point, career progress. So, if you already a software employee and if you want to upgrade your skills, you have to learn new technology or you have to read so much of documentation. So, English is must for this preparation, and if we are not well in the English, we will stand behind. The next important point is if you are a software employee or if you are going to be a software employee, you need to be attended so many interviews. So the main object the interviewer will see from candidate is the communication, English, and his attitude and the technology. If the candidate is very strong in the technology but his communication skills are not good to express the technology, he will fail. That's end up our fourth point, and the final point is networking. Basically, most of the software engineers are netizens. They like to spend a lot of time in internet. It may be because they want to be socialized or they want to learn new technologies, new things, explore themselves to the world. but whatever it could be, the platform runs on English. So that ends our topic. English is must for a software employee. Thanks for watching my video and all the best.